Hello friends, welcome to Matlab for beginners. If you want to learn Matlab from scratch, then this is the right place for you. Today we are going to look at Introduction to Matlab. Now the first question that we'll ask ourselves is, what is Matlab? Now when we talk about Matlab is a software package and it is used for high performance mathematical computation. It also has a function of visualization, so you'll be able to visualize your output, and it has a programming environment. So in all, it provides an interactive environment which has a lot of built-in functions for technical computations. You can use it for your graphs and for your animations. So when I talk about Matlab, it also stands for matrix or metrics laboratory. So you can use your Matlab as a calculator. You can use Matlab as a calculator to perform mathematical calculations. So example is, let's say if I have 5 plus 6 and I enter 5 plus 6 in Matlab should be able to compute and give me or return a value. Now let's look at the mathematical operators used in Matlab. So if you want to perform addition, we use the plus sign. If you want to perform subtraction, we use the minus sign. If you want to perform multiplication, we use the star. When we want to perform the division, we use slash, and power, we use the sign. So now that we know the mathematical operators used in Matlab, now let's try some examples and perform these examples in Matlab. So I have, if you have 7 minus 20, let's see if Matlab will be able to return answers for us. So hold on as I open my Matlab. Okay, so now this is the Matlab software package where I'm currently going to work. Is called a command window. You'll see that there is a cursor which is blinking, which is it is called a command prompt. So the command prompt lets you know that Matlab is ready to receive your codes. So now let's do some addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and see the outcome. So let's say that we are doing some addition. So 7 plus 20. So 7 plus 20, if I press enter, Matlab returned an answer of 27. So let's do some subtraction. So 300 minus 50,000. Matlab has returned an answer. Let's do some division. So division, let's see, I have 19,000 divided by 205. Matlab has been able to return an answer. Let's do some multiplication. So let's say I have 35 or 38, sorry, I have 58 multiplied by 2999. Let's see, Matlab has been able to give us an answer. Now let's find the power. So let's say 34, then exponent of let's say 5. It gives you, it has returned a value. So Now let's perform another function. So now let's try and combine all the operators together and see if we'll be able to get an answer. So we have 300 plus, sorry, 300 plus 340 minus 5,900 multiplied by 60 divided by 150. Then we find the exponent of 2. Matlab has been able to perform all the various functions for us. So now the next thing we are going to look at is, let's say I have an equation. My equation is a is equal to 2x. Let's see if Matlab will be able to return an answer for us. So a is equal to a is equal to 2x. Okay, so now let's press enter and see whatever happened, whatever error that happens, I'll explain the error to you. Okay, so now you see that Matlab says invalid expression, checking for missing multiplication operator. What Matlab is trying to tell you that the 2 is multiplying x. So there is a need for you to bring a multiplication sign in between them. So it has given you a suggestion that is 2 star x. Okay, so now let's try and press enter and see the outcome. There is going to be another error, and I will explain that error to you as well. Okay, so now Matlab is trying to tell you that undefined function of variable x, it means Matlab doesn't understand x, and before Matlab will be able to compute the value for x, then it means we have to first define the variable. Next class we are going to look at variable definition, why there is a need for you to define variables, and how to define variables in Matlab. Thank you very much for watching. Please post all your questions and comments, as well as doubts at the comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you.